Good morning, students. Welcome to Shri M. Donda Primary Schools. I hope all you are fine at your home and using all the precautions to stay away from COVID 19. So, today we are going to learn about Standard 6th poem 4, that is Beauty. So from here you can see that beauty, the word describes itself the whole poem. Beauty means the something that is pleasant or something that is good for some person, and beauty depends difference from person to person. Like for someone the tree is beautiful, for someone the ground is beautiful, for someone the hills are beautiful, so etc. depends on every person to person. So let us study in depth about this poem. Beauty. Beauty is seen in the sunlight. So here the poet is trying to tell someone sees the beauty in the sunlight. The trees, the bird, corn growing, and people's working or dancing for their harvest. So here you can see that beauty can be seen in the sunlight, in the trees, the birds, corn growing means the people, the farmers working in the field with all lots of hard works and spending whole days for growing their plants. And while they come to know that it is now the harvest time and they are dancing in the field, that their crops are successful and now they are able to sell them. So you can see that it is a beauty for them. What is the beauty? The corn growing is a beauty for the person harvesting them and taking care of them, that are the farmers. Beauty is heard in the night. So beauty can be heard in the night, and how it is heard, let's go further. Wind singing, rain falling, or a singer chatting, anything in the earnest. Okay, so that is the poet is telling the beauty can be heard. How can be heard? In the nights, winds that are blowing, singing means that is blowing, rain falling. I hope some people likes the rain that they are falling, or a singer chanting means some person is singing something. Beauty is in yourself. So here's the main line of the poem, that is beauty is in yourself. So beauty is in yourself describes that when you are good to other, that means everything is good for you. So the poet is trying to tell, for you something is good, then it is good for you. Like if you like sun, it is good for you. If you like rain, it is good for you. If you like something, if you like some person singing, then they are good for you. So beauty is in yourself. You must be good to everyone. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dream, in your work, and even in your rest. So here is poet is trying to tell the human being or a person should do good deed. Good deeds means अच्छे काम करना. Happy thoughts means positive thinking. Never thinks about something negative or something that is not appropriate for a person. So poet is trying that happy thoughts means a good and positive thinking that repeats themselves in your mind. Means if you will do good, if you will think good, but obvious everything will happen good for you in your work and even in your rest. So in your dreams, in your work, and when you are also sleeping. So when you are doing everything good, you are thinking good, you are feeling good and smiling every time, then 100% or you can say it is for sure that everything will happen good for you, because you have never thought a negative. So why? So poet is telling that do good deeds, अच्छे काम करो, अच्छे सोचो and repeat करो ये सब चीज़. Let's move over here. Here is some of the meanings of the poem. Harvest, the time of the year when the crops are cut and collected from the field. Please note it down, that one too. So it's the poem from your textbook basically. So if any doubts, you can ask after the school reopens, and please note it down from the PDF in your fair books. Okay students, stay safe, stay at your home. Thank you.